Hey there, this is Blockchain NL from St. John's. This is our submission for the GC Canada GC Blockchain Codefest. And what we decided to build this weekend was because we actually just started from Friday, what we decided to build was a solution, or at least a way to try and combat fake news. So what we started thinking about was the origin of news sources. Origins could either be true or false. And what we found out is that news articles tend to refer to each other. So by being able to trace these referrals, you can get to a particular origin. And then what you can also do is whenever somebody posts or reposts, or shares a certain article, you can also tell what that person's stance is. So whether that person is being trustworthy, or whether they're also how would I say, maybe acting like maliciously. So you know if someone is a troll just by the nature of the kind of stuff they share and the way they comment on other posts. So what we did was that we made a clone of Reddit, a very minified clone. What we did is we used the Reddit API to get some subreddits of Reddit itself, and let's say we go to, I don't know, reaction gifs or gifs. Cool. So what you see here is these are live uh Reddit's posts right now, and each post has the username and whatever the person said. So around each of these posts, you notice there's some colors, and these colors are they represent a score for each of the users. So the score is what we calculate by looking into taking some things into consideration and saying, okay, is that how likely is it that this person is sharing something that is not trustworthy or that is a lie? And then we update that score over time, and then what we do is that we use that score to generate some kind of color coding that gives us back the border that we use for each post. So at a glance, a person can see a post and immediately know whether it's how trustworthy it is. So this kind of post should definitely make me skeptical. This is a no-go area. This is slightly, somewhere, I could take it with a bit of grain of salt, and something like this is something I could probably believe in, and that's the concept that we were able to come up with over the weekend. Of course, a lot of this was also just mocked up and how would I say, because of the timeline, and we actually have a smart contract that's in here in our GitHub, grain of salt, and in there that's where we have all the functions that we need for the front end as well. And this project was built with Ember, with other members of Blockchain NL, including Dakin, myself, Thomason, Jeff Barnes, and of course our CMOS from Deloitte. So if you'd like to find more about this project, you can view it on GitHub or message us. Thank you.